Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this lesson, we'll explore the chemical senses of taste and smell, learning how our bodies detect molecules in food and the environment. Understanding these systems helps explain how we identify flavors and scents, which is important for survival, nutrition, and safety.
The gustatory system, or sense of taste, detects chemicals in food to identify flavors. Taste buds found on the tongue, soft palate, and throat contain gustatory receptor cells that respond to 5 basic tastes: sweet, sugars, sour acids like citrus, salty, sodium, and electrolytes, bitter, potential toxins, and umami, amine, expert. Chemicals bind to receptors, sending signals to the brain to help us taste flavors like chocolate or coffee. The olfactory system, or sense of smell, detects airborne chemical molecules called odorants. Olfactory receptor neurons in the nasal cavity bind odorants, sending signals to the brain. Because smell has a direct connection to the limbic system, it is closely linked to memory and emotion, which is why scents like freshly baked bread or flowers can instantly trigger vivid memories.
In conclusion, both taste and smell are chemical senses, but smell is more closely connected to emotion and memory. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating senses.